Okay, welcome back guys. We have this exponent problem, 40 to the power of 40 divided by 20 by the power of 20, and let's solve this, see what we can get. So first of all, we know that for 40 we have 20 plus 20, and we're gonna go with the 20 since we have in the denominator 20 to the power of 20. And from the laws of the exponent, we know if we have a to the power of m plus n, this will be equal to a to the m times a to the n, and this would be what we have here. So we'll have 40 to the power of 20 times 40 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 20. So we can write this also in this way: 40 to the power of 20 times 40 to the power of 20 divided by 20 to the power of 20. And in here, when we have a to the x divided by b to the x, this will be equal to a over b to the power of x. And we have the same thing, we have same exponent in these two, so we will have 40 to the power of 20 times 40 over 20 to the power of 20. And we know 40 divided by 20 is 2. So what we have at the end is 40 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 20. Now we have these two exponents that have different base but same exponent. So if we have a to the power of m times b to the power of m, this will be equal to a times b to the power of m, and here this will be our a and 2 would be our b, and since we have the same exponent, we have 40 times 2 to the power of 20, or we will have 80 to the power of 20. And this would be the final answer for this question. Another good problem to go over some laws of exponent, and that would be it for this question. Thanks for watching. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.